Hello and welcome to this video tutorial, How SD-Mobile Works. SD-Mobile is designed to facilitate communication between the office and the technicians and eliminate unnecessary duplication of work. This video will explain how this back and forth between office and technician works. First, the technician needs to have a tablet, netbook, or notebook with a full Windows operating system installed. We are working on a release for both Android and iOS systems. However, at the time of this video, these options are not yet available. Second, at a minimum, the technician needs a connection to the internet at the beginning of his day. For constant and thorough communication, it would be best for the tech to have a mobile hotspot or some other connection to the internet throughout the day. The office needs to be running SD-Mobile Link at one computer in the office. It should be left running at all times. If you're running SD-Mobile Link in your office at all times, then shortly after midnight, the tech's route for the day will be uploaded to Rossware's server. In the morning, when the technician begins his day, he'll want to clock in. He does so by clicking Punch In on the time card. Next, he should log in to SD-Mobile. When he does so, his route for the day will download into his system. You can see his route here. Once his system confirms that all jobs have been downloaded, a confirmation will be sent back to the office. If we look at the dispatch map and the underlying job records, we can see that they've been marked as dispatched to tech. If we do a control right click on this job, we can see that the history has automatically been added, dispatched to technician. The check marks here indicate the technician has his route. The tech can now review his route. He can take time to check out each job, any parts that he should have with him on the job, any previous work done on the job, including the machine history. He'll also be able to see if the job is a shop job, meaning the work will be completed at the office and not the customer's home. Alternatively, the job may have a pseudo appointment, meaning he has something he needs to accomplish in relation to the job that may not require him to physically drive to the customer's home. An example of a pseudo appointment would be if the technician needed to take time out of his day to call tech support. In addition, the tech may also have naked appointments. A naked appointment being one that has no related invoice. This could be time set aside to get an oil change or attend a staff meeting. Before beginning, the tech can open his route in Google or MapPoint and get turn-by-turn directions. As long as the feature is activated, he may choose to initiate a robocall ahead to the first appointment, letting them know he is on his way. After checking into the job and reviewing the past history, the problem, and other related information, the tech can begin his work and document what he does. If we return to ServiceDesk, we can see that both the dispatch map and the job record now reflect the tech's arrival on the job. The dispatch map reflects an arrow indicating which job the technician's at, and the job record itself now has an indication of the time the technician arrived. If he needs a part he doesn't carry, he can do an inventory check to see if other techs in his office have the part. Additionally, if you use RepairClinic.com, Sears Parts Direct, or My Parts Help, he can use that as a resource for checking parts as well. Parts that have been specifically provided to complete this job show up as items requiring a checkoff. If he does not use these parts, he is required to tell the system why before submitting his work. This ensures that all the parts are properly accounted for. Once the tech has properly documented the work done, the customer can review the ticket and sign it electronically. After the technician submits his work, the system is updated to reflect this, including a copy of the signed electronic ticket. There are several other time-saving features of SD-Mobile, but this overview explains the general functionality of the system. This concludes this video. Thank you for watching How SD-Mobile Works.